we're gonna try this and hope it works out. I want to dedicate this song to those who were affected by the flooding in Houston. I want to also dedicate it to the first responders down there. This goes out to y'all. It was written about Hurricane Katrina, but dang it, just keeps happening again. So. God bless you, Mississippi. God bless you, New Orleans, for holding through the hard times like few have ever seen. Otherwise left high and dry with nothing there to use. Into the arms of Houston, Mobile and Baton Rouge. Those who turn a blind eye will answer for their sins, heeding that redemption when your cities arise again. The back shall not be broken of a soul that won't be killed. One thing a southern man knows how to do is to rebuild. Look away, glory's just a few miles down the road. A better day is at the end of this long road we must hold. The good Lord willing the creek don't rise, we'll make it through another year. Keep the sons and daughters of Dixie dry and wipe away the tears. Resurrection morning, stone will roll away back into the levees. With a little luck they'll stay. One thing I can't stomach is how the hill watched it bleed. You can bet they'd sing a different tune if a flood had hit D.C. Look away, help us just a few miles down the road. A better day never came for the ones who were not chose. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise, we'll make it through another year. Keep the sons and daughters of Dixie dry and wipe away the tears. Good Lord willing and the creek don't rise, we'll make it through another year. Keep the sons and daughters of Dixie dry and wipe away the tears. God bless you, Houston.